Welcome to Bay Area Aviator. In this episode, we go on an IFR practice flight in a new 2018 Cessna 172 Skyhawk. The route for this flight is an IFR departure from Palo Alto over the Santa Cruz Mountains to Monterey Bay, then the GPS runway 2 approach into Watsonville, then back out on the published mist and back to Palo Alto for the GPS runway 31 approach. That unusual chirping noise you heard was from the angle of attack indicator.
Altimeter 3001, GPS runway 31 approach in use. Use circling minimums 540. Hazardous weather information available on high loss and flight service frequencies. Use caution for bird activity on and in the vicinity of the airport. Read back hold short instructions and runway assignment. Advise ground control of departure request. Advise on initial contact you have information Sierra.
Cessna 2 Echo Lima, heavy clearance advisor ready.
Stand by, 2 Echo Lima. All right, welcome on board, everyone. We're going on an IFR practice flight out of Palo Alto. Pretty calm day, but quite foggy. Counts for the fog. This is a 2018 172 Skyhawk. It has the G1000 NXI avionics. It's supposed to be brighter, faster displays than the standard G1000, otherwise pretty standard. Throttle 1000 RPM, lean 1 inch, parking brake, keep that seat backs most upright position, seats, belts, good, doors, good, windows, good, box the flight controls. Flight controls free and correct. I notice this thing raises up as you pull on it. That's different, seems like. Barrows are set. Altimeter shows field altitude. Fuel quantity is good. Okay, now we truck the manual electric trim on the autopilot. Forward 5 seconds. Pitch trim light annunciator comes on. Aft 5 seconds. Good. Engage the autopilot in roll mode. Make sure I can overpower it. It's good. Set the heading bug, see if it'll follow it. It does. Disconnect. High power check, mixture full rich. 1800 RPM. Magneto's right. Less than 150, back to both. Sound smooth. Left. Less than 150, back to both. VAC's in the green. Engine indicators are all in the green. Ammeters and voltmeters are good, charging. Try with the landing light, looks good. Down to idle power, good. Back to 1000 and lean an inch. All right, now let's get our clearance. Palo Alto ground, 2 Echo Lima ready to copy.
Cessna 2 clear to the Watson Airport on departure. Turn right heading 060 within 1 mile of Palo Alto. Expect radar vectors Salinas. Then direct. Maintain 3000. Expect 7005. Departure frequency 121.3. Squawk 4256.
Palo Alto ground. Skyhawk 172 Echo Lima is cleared to the Watsonville Airport. Right turn to 060 within 1 nautical miles. Radar vectors Salinas, then direct. Climb and maintain 3000. Expect 7000 within 5 minutes. Frequency 121.3, squawk 4256.
This long pause from the ground controller to acknowledge my IFR clearance readback is odd. Usually they get back right away.
Palo Alto ground, Skyhawk 2 Echo Lima, did you copy my readback?
Cessna 2 Echo Lima, affirmative. Readback is correct. When ready, contact tower, advise your IFR, and have a safe flight.
Roger, 2 Echo Lima.
Okay, I'm now going to enter the flight plan to set up for the intended destination airfield, Watsonville, and load the approach that I'm going to expect.
Kabul.
Cessna 2 Echo Lima, runway 31, clear for takeoff.
31, clear for takeoff. 2 Echo Lima. All right, lights. Camera. Action. Right turn to 060 within 1 nautical mile.
Palo Alto Tower, medevac Stanford 1, lifting off the helipad, departing the area to the south.
Medevac Stanford 1, Palo Alto Tower, remain clear, Palo Alto surface area, currently IFR, altimeter 3001.
3001, roger, we'll stay to the south.
Lima, contact NorCal departure.
Contact NorCal, 2 Echo Lima. NorCal approach, Skyhawk 172 Echo Lima, climbing 800.
Number 172 Echo Lima, NorCal departure to contact.
This is where your IFR skills become paramount. Everything goes white and you have to keep your eyes focused on the instruments and control the aircraft.
Departure, Alaska 399 off San Jose out of 900 for 5,000. Alaska 399, NorCal departure to contact. November 2 Echo Lima, turn right heading 170.
Turn right heading 170, 222 Echo Lima, or 172 Echo Lima.
The system beep indicator means that you have 1,000 feet to go to your intended altitude. You'll also see the altitude start flashing on the PFD.
400 feet to go. Wow, look at the fog laying in here. No, I'm not picking up Watsonville.
Alaska 399, climb and maintain 15,000.
I'm out of 15,000, 15,000, Alaska 399.
That's a cheery Alaska Airlines pilot. Must like his job.
November 2 Echo Lima, flighting 140.
140, 2 Echo Lima.
November 2 Echo Lima, advising you get the weather to Watsonville. Which approach did you want?
Advised weather, and we're looking for the RNAV GPS runway 2 approach, 172 Echo Lima.
November 2 Echo Lima, how left bridge terminate?
Standard mist, 2 Echo Lima.
Roger.
NorCal, good morning. Alaska 03, 1,500 climbing, 5,000.
Alaska 803, NorCal departure to contact. Skyway 3315, contact open center 133.7.
I just missed that. 30. Can you say it again for Skyway 3315?
3315, 133.337.
Thanks. 33.7, Skyway 3315.
November 2 Echo Lima, climb and maintain 5,000, contact approach 120.1.
Climb and maintain 5,000, approach 120.1. 2 Echo Lima. NorCal 172 Echo Lima, climbing 5,000.
Southwest 4878, reduce speed now to 170 to 5 mile final.
170 to 5 miles, Southwest 4878.
Number 172 Echo Lima, NorCal departure, rudder.
NorCal, Skyhawk 172 Echo Lima requests the GPS runway 2 approach Watsonville pilot nav from Lipwu.
Number 2 Echo Lima, roger. I have that request. You can expect to advise when you have the weather.
Advise weather, 2 Echo Lima.
HS 727 Charlie.
Wind 180.
Okay, at this point you have to pull an IFR trip. You have to be listening to the ATIS while also monitoring for ATC. You'll notice how I have to pick up the ATC and then continue with ATIS.
Altimeter
Number 172 Echo Lima, turn right heading 170.
Density altitude.
Turn right heading 170. 2 Echo Lima.
Watsonville Municipal Airport, Watsonville, California.
727, turn right heading 360 vectors across the localizer.
Right turn 360 across the localizer.
At 05.
NorCal 2 Echo Lima has the weather Watsonville.
Number 2 Echo Lima, thanks. Set at 727, turn left heading 270, intercept runway 30 left localizer.
Intercept the localizer heading 270, exit jet 727.
At 727, maintain 4,800 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 30 left approach.
Left approach, set jet 727.
Unfortunately, the weather isn't that
7989
low.
heavy, turn 10 degrees left,
Hoping for some more
and
fog.
vectors to final.
10 degrees to the left, vector for the final, and 7989.
305 Mike Romeo, roger. You just pop up IFR request.
Okay, so next should be, well, he's going to take me inside Lipwu, so maybe he'll put me onto the final. Approach courses, missed approach, climbing left
Number 2 Echo
turn.
Lima, I have a track inbound that's overtaking you, a Saratoga. Turn right, actually, turn left heading 100, vector first sequence.
Turn left heading 100, 172 Echo Lima.
4 Sierra Charlie, beginning VFR descent to King City.
I'm sorry, who was that last one?
4 Sierra Charlie.
Vertical track.
Charlie, radar service terminated, squawk VFR. If you can change your proof, you guys have it going.
Squawk VFR, thanks for your help today. 4 Sierra Charlie out.
No problem, thank you.
Okay, I'm now turning left to 100 as shown on the approach plate. So this looks like it's going to take me across the final approach fix. And that's all because I've got a Saratoga that's faster behind me that wants to do this same approach.
Number 2 Echo Lima, turn right heading 210.
Right heading 210, 2 Echo Lima.
Vertical track.
Number 3 Palo Alto, can you accept the GPS from SOC?
Affirmative, TPS.
Thank you. Page up 1, make sure if I'm making the left turn for your descent traffic, 3 o'clock, 2 miles northeast on 3,200 is a TBM.
Looking for a TBM left turn to Marina Bay Jump 1.
Page up 1, radar service terminated, squawk V4, can you change your proof, see on the next one?
Bay Jump 1.
Number 2 Echo Lima, traffic, 2 o'clock, 3 miles east on 4,000 is in Mooney.
Looking for that Mooney, 2 Echo Lima.
Number 5 mile Romeo traffic, 11 o'clock, 3 miles southwest, about 5,000 level. This is Skyhawk. Number 2 Echo Lima, expect the GPS from FOC.
Traffic, 2 o'clock, low, 1 mile.
Number 2 Echo Lima, descend and maintain 4,000.
Descend and maintain 4,000, 2 Echo Lima.
Number 7, correction, number 2 Echo Lima, turn left heading 100.
Turn left heading 100, 2 Echo Lima. All right, we're turning inbound. That's good progress. Turn on our landing lights, landing. Gas.
And 23 Alpha Hotel,
carriage.
cancel IFR.
Number 3 Alpha Hotel, IFR cancellation received, maintain VFR, resume navigation.
Oh, nav, 23 Alpha Hotel, thanks.
Number 2 Echo Lima, turn left direct FFC, cross FFC at or above 2,000, maintain 2,000 full established. Clear GPS, runway 2 approach.
Cross SOC at or above 2,000, cleared for the GPS. Runway 2 approach, Watsonville, 2 Echo Lima. Okay, I'm on my way to Fox Ave, ascending 2,000. I am below the glide path. I should intercept the glide path at Fox Ave.
5317, Surf City 1.
Glide path is armed. Final approach course, 18.
Surf City 1, reset at 12.5.
Affirmative, Surf City 1.
Surf City 1, roger, thank you. Number 2 Echo Lima, change advisor frequency approved, talk to you on the go.
Talk to you on the go. Looks like there's a lot of opposite direction VFR traffic, 2 Echo Lima.
Number 2 Echo Lima, roger. And you are coming back out though, correct, IFR?
Correct, back out, IFR, 2 Echo Lima.
Echo Lima, roger, talk to you soon.
Watsonville traffic, Skyhawk 172, Echo Lima is inbound on the GPS runway 2 approach. We'll divert to the left downwind, 2 Echo Lima. Watsonville traffic. Watsonville traffic, Skyhawk 172, Echo Lima will circle over the field departing to the west. Watsonville traffic.
Watsonville traffic, Cessna 60 Delta, turning left, crosswind runway 20, Watsonville.
So now I've turned to the missed approach heading, and we'll start on the missed approach while contacting ATC to get a different clearance back to Palo Alto.
NorCal approach, Skyhawk 172, Echo Lima is on the missed approach, Watsonville.
That was November 91624, Monterey Tower 118.4. 172 Echo Lima, NorCal departure, radar contact verified 2 miles southwest of Watsonville, 1,600, same intentions.
1,600 west of Watsonville, request IFR clearance, Palo Alto, 172 Echo Lima.
Number 2 Echo Lima, roger. Towards the Palo Alto Airport, 5% heading, climb and maintain 6,000.
Clear to the Palo Alto Airport, climb and maintain 6,000, present heading, 2 Echo Lima.
Echo Lima, turn right heading 260, vector for DoCal, verify requesting GPS information uniform at Palo Alto, advising you have that.
Again with the vector, then direct DoCal, looking for the GPS, 31, 2 Echo Lima.
Number 2 Echo Lima, thank you.
Say again, vector, 2 Echo Lima.
Number 2 Echo Lima, expect a right turn to DoCal momentarily.
Right turn DoCal momentarily, 2 Echo Lima.
2 Echo Lima, fly heading 260.
Fly heading 260, 2 Echo Lima.
Number 2 Echo Lima, turn right, proceed direct to DoCal, maintain 5,000.
Proceed direct DoCal, maintain 5,000, 2 Echo Lima.
Number 2 Echo Lima, contact approach 120.1, let them know when you have uniform.
120.1, advise uniform, 2 Echo Lima.
2 Echo Lima, just to verify you are direct DoCal at this time, correct?
Direct DoCal, 2 Echo Lima.
Thank you.
NorCal approach, Skyhawk 172, Echo Lima, direct DoCal, we have information, uniform, Palo Alto.
Number 2 Echo Lima, roger, you're 10 miles from DoCal, cross DoCal 4,700, your clear GPS approach running 31.
Cross DoCal at or above 4,700, cleared for the GPS 31 approach, Palo Alto, 2 Echo Lima. Alright, we're cruising back to Palo Alto.
735 uniform, checking in, 4,500.
Alright, so we are inbound to DoCal. DoCal, for glide slope, expect 4,400, so we're coming in 300 feet high. So
NorCal, this is Skylane 735.
A little over the
wonder if I could get
glide slope as I cross over
I'm about to hit.
DoCal.
Number 735 uniform, if you're talking to me, you don't have to ask.
At DoCal.
Roger that, thanks so much. 35 uniform. Number
Down
35 uniform, traffic, 11 o'clock and 2 miles northwest on Palo Alto, 4,700 feet descending. You're a little bit faster than I'm at the Cessna. City 717, contact San Jose Tower.
So I put in 3,500.
Good day, Southwest 577.
After I cross DoCal in half a mile, I can start descending. Hopefully to get underneath the glide slope to intercept it. Okay, I'm past Anchos.
7172 Echo Lima, contact Palo Alto Tower, good day.
Contact Palo Alto Tower, 172 Echo Lima. Palo Alto Tower, Skyhawk 172 Echo Lima, inbound on the GPS 31 approach.
That's not 172 Echo Lima, Palo Alto Tower, continue the approach.
Continue approach, 2 Echo Lima. Okay, we've captured the glide path. Gas, undercarriage, mixture, landing light. Alright. Looking good. Actually, let's slow it down to about 90 knots. Let's bring it
That's a 2 Echo Lima, number 131, clear to land.
Clear to land, 3-1, 2 Echo Lima.
Passing by the amphitheater off to the right, which is a useful visual landmark for approaches into Palo Alto.
Let's go get on center line.
Cessna 48 Victor, cancel takeoff clearance.
We're in the runway, 48 Victor, we're going to line up and wait.
Cessna 48 Victor, runway 31, line in 48 traffic, Skylane, mile and a half final.
Line up and wait, 48 Victor.
Skylane 28 Lima, cancel takeoff, correction, cancel landing clearance, expected short final.
Canceling landing clearance, expect short final, 2 Echo Lima.
Cessna 48 Victor, left Dumbarton, runway 31, clear for takeoff.
31, clear for takeoff, 48 Victor.
Cessna 2 Echo Lima, thanks, number 1, runway 31, clear to land.
Number 1, 3-1, clear to land, 2 Echo Lima.
So that's the way you want it, a chirp from the angle of attack indicator just as you touch down.
Correction, Tango November 5 Mike Delta, number 1, runway 31, clear to land.
31, clear to land, 5 Mike Delta.
This is 2 Echo Lima, text to the parking via Zulu, Yankee 2, monitor ground.
Zulu, Yankee 2, monitor ground, 2 Echo Lima.
Okay, there you have it. Safe back on the ground at Palo Alto. 2 IFR approaches.